on the record in cause number 327282, the state of Texas versus Eddie James Martin. Mr. Martin, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Martin, do you swear affirm? Would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Martin, do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Martin, how are you doing? You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Martin?
I'm fine.
Okay, Mr. Martin, let me hand this to you, the standard bond conditions. You can stand, can get it in there.
Yes, sir.
You can stand back where you were. Mr. Martin, the paperwork that was just handed out to you is titled the standard bond conditions in County Court Law number 2. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
I'll go over these bond conditions with you. It says that following the arrest and or accusation in County Court Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, subsection A2 and subsection C2. Condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly, indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, Barbara Kennery. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And condition number 4 doesn't apply to you in this case because this is not a DWI second or more case. All right.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you understand all of those conditions?
Yes, sir.
All right. Stand over here on the X in front of the court clerk, right here on the X, and then follow her directions.